guys, it's me, Kinsley, and I'm so excited to do a virtual tour of this home. It is gorgeous. It's located in Anna, Texas, which is one of the most fastest growing cities in the nation right now. It's located in a master plan development called the Village at Hurricane Creek. I'm going to show it to you real quick, okay? Got this beautiful big front porch. Very tall doors. Let's go inside. All right. So when you walk in, you've got this beautiful big entryway with a curved staircase. Really great statement here. Right here to the right when you walk in, you've got a sitting area and dining area. And the great thing about this dining area is that it's right off of the kitchen. So that's the pass through for the kitchen. Lots of great natural light. And I love this butler's pantry right here. You have these beautiful upgraded cabinets and a really big pantry. This is a great size pantry for this size home. Show you. Oh yeah. Tons of space, tons of space. Here is the kitchen. Everything in this house is perfect size. Has the upgraded double oven. It has the drop-in range and a really awesome size island here for prepping. And then you come right over here into the breakfast nook that will take you into your outdoor living space. Huge, huge, huge covered patio. And I'll go ahead and show you guys this covered patio. It's so big. All right, so you come out and it wraps all the way around this huge size L. And the yard also is massive. You could put a big pool playground in here and still have room to play. Lots of grass area. Also, you only have a neighbor pretty much behind you because you're on the corner. Great big corner lot. And I don't know if you can tell, but the ceiling height, really tall ceilings. You also have a floored ceiling stone gas fireplace. Great for the winter. And then all the wiring is already done for your TV and entertainment center. So easy. And as you can tell, you have a great sight lane from the front door all the way to the back of the home, which makes it just feel so much more open and inviting. If the kids are upstairs, this open space at the top, you can easily talk back and forth. But a lot of people have been asking me, are there 2 bedrooms downstairs? And the answer is yes. We have a bedroom flex space here. This could function as also a study if you didn't need the downstairs bedroom, but there are some people I know that need it. And the great thing is it has its own full bathroom right here with a step-in shower, 3-piece. And when you come down this hall, you find the master suite, which is absolutely massive. Check out this master suite. It has a pop-up ceiling and a bay window. And the great thing is your view from this bay window is your gorgeous patio and backyard. Over here is kind of neat. They have a separate closet space from the bathroom, which I think is really nice. I feel like more often you see the closet inside the bathroom, which I'm not a huge fan of. I prefer it outside, so I love that about this floor plan. And here is your primary ensuite. You've got your toilet. You've got separate vanities, his and hers. So here's the first vanity, soaker tub, another vanity, and then a big walk-in shower. What more could you want? All right, so I think the only thing I haven't shown you on the downstairs is going to be the laundry room, which again, love this because, okay, this is the entry. Then you got this hall. This door is to the garage. Here is a big walk-in, like separate laundry room, and then a huge under the stairs storage. Really good sized space here. All right, let's head up the stairs. Got a really nice chandelier. Okay, so when we get to the top of the stairs here, it's so big. This house is so big. It's 4,300 square feet. So on this side, you have a Jack and Jill bathroom with 2 bedrooms. Then you have another full bath right here, big bedroom, and then right over here, you have another big bedroom. This is kind of a landing area. Would be a great like upstairs living space, pool table area, and then double French door entry into a media room. It has a big closet. So 4 bedrooms up, 2 full baths up, a game room and media room. So this is the furthest back bedroom, really good. All the bedrooms are really good size. And let me show you the closet too. All of them have a walk-in closet. Let's double check, I'm pretty sure. I think I remember that correctly. Look at that view. And you can see down here, let me show the light. Nice subway tile shower, vanity, and then let's go into, I love this room. It's probably one of the larger upstairs rooms. They're all big. Again, this closet has a window in it. It's a walk-in closet. Let's go see what the closets are like in these other 2 bedrooms. So this is the first Jack and Jill bedroom. Again, ooh, big walk-in closet, vanity. This is the shared toilet, shower space. Here is this bedroom's vanity. Okay, so this one might be the only, yeah. Technically a step-in. I don't know. Technically a step-in. It has sidebars. But this room is great too. Great size. Alright guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to message, email, call me. Would love to schedule a showing for you. And this is really a great value. Actually, the model for this home builder, I saw they have it on their website for over $800,000. Same layout. This one's on a corner and it's $610, y'all. Incredible value. Great deal. Give me a call.